Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you guys how I made fried rice with soy sauce for the very first time. It makes all the difference. I did not use any curry or any other sort of coloring for this meal. I only used the soy sauce and this is what it looks like. Like, look at this picture very well. Is this not the kind of food that they serve at 5-star hotels? You know? So guys, I've already marinated my chicken and put it in the fridge. It's been in the fridge for about 5 hours. Marinated the first thing in the morning and put in the fridge. So I'm going to start the cooking process now. So guys, to start this, I'm going to first of all fry my chicken. I'm going to be doing a shallow frying method for this because I don't want to use too much oil, and I want to use this oil that I'll use to fry the chicken to cook the fried rice. So I just realized I've not been really open to using seasonings like bouillon seasonings, you know, the packaged powder seasonings that they normally sell that people use to cook food. I've not been open to those things for a while. Like, I've just realized actually that this is something that was inculcated in me while growing up, because I remember growing up my dad would not let us use any sort of seasoning apart from the basic Maggi cubes, or seasoning cubes, all those bouillon ones that are in sachets and stuff, and every other thing that is foreign, like that is not seasoning cubes to prepare our meals. He'd say those things, and that's not what makes food sweet. That what makes food sweet is the ingredients that used to cook, like the meat, the proteins, So I just realized I've not been open to using bouillon seasonings, but this soy sauce thing has been in my face like for a long time now, and I decided to try it out. And guys, I've not been disappointed. This fried rice turned out great. So I'm frying this chicken in shallow oil because I don't want to waste any part of the oil. I want to use everything in the process of cooking. So I've just added in Irish potatoes and green peas. So I'm going to go ahead and stir fry this until they cook tender, because I did not steam it. I did not steam the Irish potatoes and the green peas. So that's why I started with them, so that they can cook. So guys, these are the chief ingredients. You know how you're looking to try something for the first time and you're hoping to not be disappointed? This Amoy soy sauce did it for me, because this is the very first time I'm trying to use soy sauce in anything I'm cooking, and I was not disappointed. This fried rice turned out really nice, guys. I cannot exaggerate this. Okay. So, and the ingredients are really simple. So is the soy sauce from Amoy, and then the fried rice seasoning from Spice Supreme. These guys have been, the Spice Supreme, they have been my go-to for as long as I can remember. They are the main ingredients I use, the main bouillon seasonings that I use whenever I'm cooking anything. So I'm just drizzling in some salt on top of on the food, and I'm going to continue to stir it to cook. I don't know if you guys can see that this corn is not the regular one that you buy from the supermarkets like that has already been cooked and packed in tins. So what I did is that I bought fresh corn from the market and then I cooked it, salted it with a little bit salt, and then I cooked it and removed it from the cob and packed them in a Ziploc and put them in the freezer. So that's what I've been using to cook most of the meals that I make lately since we are in the season of corn. Okay, so these are ways that you can swap out using already processed foods from your menu. Okay, when things are in season and you know that you incorporate them in your food so often, you can try a way around it if you have the time. Okay, but if not, just go ahead and do what's best for you. So guys, I've just added in the pepper. It's going to be really spicy, and now I've added in the knorr chicken seasoning cube. Next thing, I'm going to be adding in my Maggi seasoning cube. So I put in a lot of flavors into this meal, like it turned out bomb. So I had to reduce the base because it was too much for the amount of rice that I'm cooking, which is just 2 cups of rice. And this is leftover rice. I remember Masha, when she went to Big Brother house, she raved about using leftover rice to make fried rice. This one is about 2 cups. So let's just call it 4 servings, because my god, look at that beauty. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh god, like making this meal made me so happy. The color of it is rich, the ingredients and everything, the vegetables and everything just sits properly together, you know. None is overshadowing the other. Everything is just so nice and steady. So guys, I hope you people really try this recipe, and if you're still here by now, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You're going to love it here. Okay, so guys, please note that everything I'm doing has been on very high heat. Okay, that way it stir fries really nicely and everything is still crisp and done. Okay, so you try it that way. Don't, like, people make the mistake of reusing the fire when it's time to stir fry. No, stir frying needs heat so that the vegetables cook thoroughly, the food cooks thoroughly. Okay, so guys, this is where we come to the end of this video. I hope you learned something new. The food is done now and I'm turning off the fire and serving. This is the finished look of this meal. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, thumbs up, and leave a comment in the comment section. Okay, see you guys in my next one. Bye.